The steering is so light, it doesn't feel like you're driving a large, boxy SUV. So it has a voice command.
Hello, Jetour.
I'm listening.
Open sunroof.
Oh, that is so cool. Hey guys, here we have the Jetour T2 Terrain, and we are going to be taking it for a POV drive. This is an all-new SUV from Jetour. As you can see, it is a very boxy design. You could say that it is inspired by some brands. At the back, we can see it has a squared off spare tire cover together with LED taillights. Check out the trunk space. Let's check out the rear space of the T2. This is a 5-seater SUV. So these are the rear seats. You have nice door design right here with somewhat a mix of a hard and soft touch materials. Padded armrest. There are also some storage spaces located throughout. Very rugged design. You also have here some Jetour door sill plate right there. Still the door. Nice and solid. Tons of legroom. Footroom is also generous. I also have this amount of headroom, and the center floor is nice and flat, so center seat occupants will also feel comfortable. This is the dash design. This is very square as well and futuristic with the large 15.6-inch screen front and center. You have a center armrest with 2 cup holders and some storage space inside. You have nice red stitching as well. All right. So let's go ahead and take it for a drive. Let's do a door sound test. Pretty solid. You have some side steps here for easy ingress. Very solid. So here you have softer materials on the front door. Nicely padded armrest. You have some ambient lighting right there. Red stitching. This interesting material also is soft. You have a nice sturdy door handle, and you have large air vents, and you have a wireless charger right there, and this one is a slot for your phone. So here is your terrain control. So you have your 7 different driving modes. So you can see sport, snow, mud, rock, eco, and normal. And if we press it, the vehicle can automatically identify the terrain that you are in, and it will set its most capable setting. This one is a 15.6-inch touchscreen display. It is very large and has Apple CarPlay and an around view monitor as well. You can select which view you want to view. It is a floating style design, and I think it fits the interior very well. You also have a digital driver's display right here with your speed, your RPMs, and your trip computer, tire pressure monitoring, and your 4-wheel drive settings. You also have rear locking differential, which is very interesting. Fuel economy and whatnot. You also have your media and connectivity on the right side. You have these nice grab handles throughout. Also, you have 12 speakers, Sony stereo system. You have a nice intricate pattern right there on the dash. This is your gear selector. Put your foot on the brake, flip it down for drive, 1 notch up for neutral, 2 notches up for reverse. For park, just press this P button. You also have some off-road modes right here. This is a shortcut for your around view monitor. This off-road button right here, this is your front defroster, and your air conditioning button is located right here. You have 2 cup holders here, and the center console, this one slides.
Yes,
okay, that's
it
interesting.
also has a
Cooler. Nice sized center console, so you can hide some stuff here in the sliding panel right there. It comes with a panoramic sunroof with one touch back. There you go. 1 touch sliding that stretches all the way to the rear. That is very nice. It definitely brightens up the cabin. And you have here some lighting controls, touch sensitive LEDs. There you go. The glass also opens for that maximum outdoor feel. It's very nice. The headliner is made of this cloth material. Here you have your visor with the illuminated mirror. So it has a voice command.
Hello, Jetour.
I'm listening.
Open sunroof.
Okay.
Wow, that is so cool. Ang bilis rin ng command niya. It opens up instantly. So here is the key for the Jetour T2. It is a square key as well. So you have your lock, unlock, remote start, and your tailgate release button right there. It's very interesting. I love the color as well. It's just wrapped in plastic right now. But to start it, put your foot on the brake and hit this start button right there. There you go. The 2.0 turbocharged 4-cylinder gasoline engines fires right up. Let's fasten our seatbelts. So we are now currently in the X mode, so it also shows us the front wheel angle. So if I turn it 31 degrees, very helpful for off-roading. You have your rading radar as well. It will also detect the water level. You also have your off-road radiation. It is to turn on the fan so that when the engine is hot, turn that on. You also have your ESP button right there, hill descent control and whatnot. You can also show your vehicle right here. It is also active, so I'm pressing on the brake and the brake lights are turned on. If I turn on the signal light, the around view monitor automatically turns on. Yeah, let's go ahead and take it for a drive. Put it in drive. And the electronic parking brake automatically disengages. Now it does have a long hood, but you sit nice and high so you can see out the road very easily. The windows are also nice and large. The steering is so light, it doesn't feel like you're driving a large boxy SUV. So the T2 has 251 horsepower and 390 Newton meters of torque. Let's see how that handles here in the slalom. Whoa. That's pretty responsive steering. Of course, there's a lot of body roll with the height of this car, but let's give it some juice. Power is very linear. Put it in reverse. Let's try it in sport mode now. So the around view monitor is very helpful when maneuvering this very big truck, or SUV rather, around town. You can see what's under the hood. The side mirrors automatically dip down when you put it in reverse. Throttle response is much more responsive in sport. But yeah, you can definitely feel the weight of this SUV. Oh. So let's put it back to normal mode. Eco. You also have a nice diagram here for when you're switching modes. Even in eco mode, the power delivery is there. It's very torquey. And surprisingly, the NVH is good. You don't hear much of the engine inside, and road noise is minimal. We're riding on a brick road right now. It is very comfortable. It's soaking up the bumps pretty well. Overall, this is a comfortable off-roader. You didn't even feel the small speed bump there. Okay, this is a very, very interesting SUV, a very interesting proposition actually. So to put it in park, just press this P button right there. Turn off the air conditioning here. There you go. And just press the stop button here. Alright, that was a POV drive off the Jetour T2. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.